Canva has added 4 new animation settings for photos, and let's go have a look at them and use them to make a little ad that looks a bit like this. Okay, let's go. All right, so let's start with, we're going to do social media. Let's do a TikTok video. Search TikTok video. And these should be, TikTok videos should be the right size for Instagram Reels as well. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for book marketing. If you are an author and would like to talk to other authors, come and join the Facebook group. It's free. The link is in the description. If you'd like some free stuff, sign up for the newsletter. Again, link in the description. And if you'd like to say thank you, just click down here. There's 3 dots, lets you buy me a cup of tea. All right. So let's make this smaller. All right. We've got a blank TikTok video here. Let's put something in it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find, all right, this will do. Okay, I'm just going to use a very, very old book cover for a book called Please Release Me, which has a ghost in it. And let's find something a bit dark. So this, the new Canva animations, because there's 4 new Canva animations. When I saw them, I immediately thought of sort of horror and crime and things like that. Actually, let's see if we've got anything in vertical. Videos, filter, vertical. Okay, I like that one. That's free. Now, if it has a little crown like this, it means you need a Canva Pro subscription to use it. If it doesn't have a crown, it is free to use. If you would like to try Canva Pro for 30 days for free, there is a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so I get something, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. Okay. Let's move this guy to the front. Okay. So we've got like a tiny 2-second clip. Set video as background. And then let's get my book here. Because it's a spooky kind of book, I'm going to put a glow behind it. Let's go edit and shadows and glow. And normally I would use black, but for this one, let's go for a sort of purplish, pale purplish glow. Make it a bit bigger. More glow. Yeah, okay. Make it a bit paler. All right. And now we're going to animate it, and this is where the new stuff is. So you have some interesting animation effects for photo. You could have shake zoom, which is quite good. Take speed down a bit. So that would be quite nice for a horror book or a thriller. Whip side. That's quite good. And that would be quite good if you're adding a series of books. So let's try it. Let's duplicate it and make them smaller. So you've got 2 books and they're going to appear side by side. And they're both going to be on enter. They're going to whip slide in. Select them both. There we go. We've got the timings for both. So we've got one of them that comes in then and one of them that comes in like half a second after. And that should look like they whip in. So that's quite good. What else did we have in Animate? Old TV. Let's get rid of this one now. Old TV, where, do you know how the TV used to kind of come out from a point and warm up? A bit like that. Or chroma wave, which is just weird. Okay, so old TV, old style TV where the image used to slowly come up onto the screen. Gosh, that was a long time ago. Okay, chroma wave, where it kind of wibbles in. So as you can see, these probably lend themselves better to sci-fi, especially things like chroma wave, or the darker things, crime, thrillers, dystopian stuff. Yeah, but I'm sure we could think of other ways to use this. Let's try. We can add a page. I seem to already have another page. Let's delete this one. Let's just duplicate this one. Duplicate page. And in this one, we'll try. You could use something like this. And you can add a little bit of text that says buy now. Or read now if you don't want to be too salesy. Read now. Oops. Give it a nice font. The seasons. And let's just check what the typography stuff is doing. So advanced formatting. Kerning is on. Let's see if ligatures are on. There's no ligatures, but they're on if they had existed. And let's turn the color to white so that we can read it. Oh, come on. Okay. So what we probably want is to duplicate this page again so that we got duplicate page. And take everything off the first page. I'm going to delete this last page. Right, so you've got a sort of 4-second video now. Let's zoom in a tiny bit more. That's too much. Swap these around. Come on. Swap them around. Swap around. There we go. Maybe not then. Let's see what it looks like. Ah, that's cool. So, yeah, spooky. And if we take the read now, we can maybe animate that. Let's have a look. What have we got in animate there? Read now would be quite good. Or bounce, or pop. Where's the pop? Pop or succession? Succession. Yeah, do succession. And you can take the speed down if you've got Canva Pro. If not, you're just stuck with whatever they tell you, but you still can use the effect, so that's quite nice. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, those are the new Canva photo animations. Let me know how you use them because I'm intrigued to see how you will use them. I'm sure they've got more applications than I've thought of. If you found this useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.